And let's do a very quick summary of what all we learned. So let's copy these things into our tutorial. Where is it? Here. Run it. Notice we learned like the basics of HTML, which is basically a tag-based sort of a UI language. Within the body, we learned like headers, input elements, buttons, order unordered lists, right? Combo boxes, right? This select boxes. We learned that, and then we also learned how if we click something, we can call a function. We learned about text area, forms, right? In the next one, so I'm gonna copy, let's say the 2.html. Okay, 2.html, what we learned is basically, go ahead and paste it there. We learned some additional concepts of like styling, and then also a little bit of JavaScript. When we search, we can alert or console log, right? Then in the third one, we learned the basics of CSS, right? And let's go ahead and see that one. All right, so we learned this one, right? Basics of CSS, and then we realized, hey, you know what? There's simpler way to do this and much easier way to do this with Bootstrap, and then we learned that. So let's go ahead and do that, run. So this part we learned, right? And then eventually we learned about actually fetching data from an API. We also learned the anatomy of a web application where there is a UI, there's a API server, and them talking to each other with some mechanism, right? Like JSON, right? We learned about JSON, JSON arrays, and then this application actually is usable where it brings data, looks nice also, right? So yeah, my suggestion will be do some practice, use W3 schools to understand a little bit more of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then go ahead and take up the courses here, right? And make sure you do take like this essential of Python and shell scripting as well. You think within like 2 hours, you learned so much. Imagine how much you could learn if you put like a day or two to this. And I'm assuring you that whatever you learned today is more than enough for you to take these courses, the actual courses, right? Instead of just going down the rabbit hole and understanding everything in all details. All right. Excellent. Thank you so much. And happy learning, everybody. And let's meet in the next one. Bye.